Good morning, good evening, good night from wherever you are watching us. You are so much welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to learn how to increase Shopify conversion rates. Now, some people who have Shopify stores complain that they have very low conversion rates. And so in this tutorial, we are going to be addressing a few of those concerns and how to overcome them to make sure that you increase your Shopify conversion rates. Now, if we come to this Shopify account, this is for Beauty Queen. We'll just start from the top. And the first thing you need to have on your Shopify store in order for you to increase your Shopify conversion is what we call special banner offer. For instance, you notice here at the top here, we have the free shipping here. We have the free shipping for purchases above 200 USD. Now, this is a special offer banner. And at the top here, we have the winner of the Gala Awards for the best customer service. All these are things you can put on your special offer banner, achievements that you have made, or even deals that you offer. That is special offer banner. The second thing that you need to ensure that you have in order to increase your Shopify conversion is basically what we call a simple menu. If we come to Beauty Queen online store, you'll notice how simple their menu is. The menu has home, it has our products, and then it has hot deals. These are basic things that anyone would want to do, but maybe what you could add to your banner here is contact us. So you can add the contact us here or the contact thing, but you notice the simplicity of this menu is simply amazing. Home, our products, hot deals. Therefore, what this means is that if a client comes to this site, they'll first see, oh, this is a winning page. This is a winning shop, and they have this great offer. And once they get to the menu, they are able to just see the products you have by clicking on our products. And even after that, you can see hot deals. You are just emphasizing an offer that you may be having, be it seasonally or even that runs throughout. Hot deals, it may be discounts on something or even an offer on something. Now, the next thing that you need to focus on is what we call a product focused homepage. Just look at this homepage. You can notice that it has different products displayed on the homepage with a nice slight movement. You notice the image is just moving. So this is what we call a product focused homepage. So the homepage, just by looking at the homepage, a person can see ornaments, can see necklaces, can see chains, can see earrings. This is a product focused homepage. You need to have your homepage focused on your product so that even before a person scrolls down, they can see your products here. So this is fully editable. And in this YouTube channel, we have different tutorials on how to create such a nice homepage for your products. Now, the next thing you notice here is, since a person may just scroll slightly down, you just want to lead them to your products. You can now give other enticing things. For instance, you notice we have new arrival here and the images used there and the prices. So this is something you can also do. Just make sure that since your focus is to make sales, just focus on making sure that your clients can easily see the products that you are selling. Now, the next thing you need to have is what we call a strong call to action. Now, the call to action, make sure that it's clear what you want your clients to do. You want them to buy this product. So you notice like here we have buy now. This is a call to action button. So you can notice here we have contact us. It's a call to action. So make sure that you have strong call to action buttons. You can notice them here, buy now, and so on and so forth. Now, the next thing you can do is to have your website review, and we have different ways of importing your reviews to your Shopify. One way you can simply use the apps. For instance, if I come here and then you come to apps down here, and then you click on Shopify App Store here, you can search for apps that can help to have your website reviewed. You simply come at the top here, and I can recommend using apps such as Yopto. So if I just type there, Yopto, you notice we have the Yopto product reviews and UGC here, and it has a free plan available. So you can also use the Yopto for royalty and rewards. But in this case, we just want to focus on the product reviews. So if you can use this Yopto, what you will get is, you notice that you can stand out on search with Google seller ratings and Google shopping ads. And then the important thing here is you can connect your reviews with the SMS, royalty and subscription and product synergies. So this is something you can do to make sure that your store has some good reviews. Now, next, you can use what we call geolocation. Now, if I come to my online store here, and then I click on customize theme, you'll notice a pop-up that will come up there. You notice here we have this pop-up. We don't ship to Kenya. It's because I've set my current location as Kenya. This is what we are calling the geolocation. So you need to have your geolocation because you may have people who are visiting your page from different countries. So if you have the geolocation, it's able now to convert for them the location, whatever they need, the details that they need. Your shop will directly convert that for them, be it in, you notice now here, we have the United States. You can always use the geolocation. And how does geolocation help? It automatically integrates with your Shopify markets and global e-native configuration and connects multiple expansion stores to recommend your customers the version of your store that corresponds to their geo IP location. So once you have that, it means therefore that they can choose from different designs that fit your brand. They can you can also display your geolocation pop-up in the user preferred language. You can do so many other things, including switching markets, where you can add the country selector, currency selector, and language switcher. That means if a person maybe visits your shop from a country where they use dollar, and maybe your setting for currency is pounds, then with geolocation, they'll be able to see the price of the product that you have in the currency of their location. That is the advantage of using the geolocation. Finally, make sure that you add blocks that can add value to your Shopify. For instance, for this shop, they have added these details down here. Our brands are original, and then we are ISO certified for this year. This is just a sample. So you notice now, if a person visits this shop, they can see all the products here. They can see the prices, they can see the contactors, and then they now see the brand details here that this brand is original and is also ISO certified. I hope this has been helpful. That is how you increase your Shopify conversion rates on Shopify. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.